I hope everyone's ready for Kombucha Christmas!
Bobby, Bobby, Bobby!
Hey guys, and welcome back to Bobby's Kombucha Corner. Today we have 3 holiday flavors of kombucha that I'm sure you'll all enjoy this winter season. First we have hot chocolate inspired kombucha. Next we have mulled wine inspired kombucha, non-alcoholic. And last but not least we have candy cane kombucha or peppermint booch. So I'm gonna quickly give you the recipe of each and then give them a taste. So of course with all of them you have to start with your F1. If you don't know how to do that, see the link below. And then you just add the flavors and ferment it in a tall glass bottle like this with a flip cap. You ferment it for 2 to 4 more days. So the first one is hot cocoa inspired kombucha. It has cocoa powder and vanilla extract, which is kind of like the marshmallows. Nice brown chocolatey color. Yummy! Obviously it's not hot, it's cold. This one actually has the most fizz out of all of them. I don't know why, I think the cocoa powder makes it fizzy. And the vanilla extract gives it a nice smooth aftertaste. It's sweet but still a little tart and it's delicious. Next we have mulled wine inspired kombucha. So this one has grapes, cherries, star anise, which are these cool little starries. Those give it kind of a licorice-y flavor. It has some other spices, cinnamon, clove. Boop. So let's give it a taste. This one's pretty fizzy too. The cherry gives it a nice red color and the spices give it a nice complex flavor. And last but not least we have peppermint candy cane kombucha. So this one's the easiest out of all of them. All I did was crush up a couple candy canes and put them in there. Let's see what it tastes like. I think we have a winner. That one tastes basically like a candy cane and kombucha, and it's a really good combination. You get a little bit of that minty candy cane sweetness at first and a little bit of kombucha tartness at the end. It's really good. So thanks guys for watching, and I hope you have a great holiday season, and I hope everybody has a happy new year. Thanks for watching Bobby's World. Bye.